Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about common garage door problems and some useful tips to fix them. As a homeowner, you might have faced issues with your garage door at some point. It's an inevitable part of owning a garage, but don't worry, most of these problems can be solved with a little bit of knowledge and effort. Let's start with the most common problem, a garage door that won't open or close properly. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as a misaligned track, worn-out springs, or an issue with the automatic opener. A visual inspection can often help identify the problem. If the track is bent or the springs look worn out, it might be time to call a professional. Another common issue is a noisy garage door. If your door makes a lot of noise when it's opening or closing, it could be due to loose hardware, old or worn-out rollers, or a need for lubrication. Tightening the hardware, replacing the rollers, or applying a high-quality lubricant can often solve this problem. These are examples of broken garage door springs. If your garage door is opening slowly or not opening at all, the springs could be the culprit. Garage doors use two types of springs, torsion springs and extension springs. If these springs are worn out, they can cause the door to operate slowly or even stop in the middle of operation. In such cases, replacing the springs is a must. Finally, if your garage door is not responding to the remote or the wall switch, the problem could be with the power source or the motor. Check if the motor is plugged in properly and if the circuit breaker, fuse, or GFCI controlling the door opener circuit is working. If everything seems fine, but the door is still not working, it might be time to call a professional like us at Discount Garage Doors, LLC. Remember, garage doors are heavy and can be dangerous if not handled properly. If you're not comfortable doing these repairs yourself, don't hesitate to call a professional. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you solve your garage door problems.